My name is Stacy, and I was looking to have my bathroom remodeled. I live in a tiny apartment, and the bathroom was just not functional for the space. And when I did my research, I found 360 House Remodeling through Angie's List. They had 5-star rating. I watched their videos, and I decided to go with them. When they came out, they looked at my project and they said it was doable, which I was very happy about. I can't even describe the difference in the bathrooms. They were very respectful of my personal items. I was surprised of how careful they were. They just did a wonderful job. What started off to be just the bathtub, we ended up doing the whole bathroom, and I get so many compliments on it. My family is jealous. They're seriously, my sister's like, I want a bathroom like this. And I never expected to have something that nice, ever. And they were always upfront with me, upfront with the cost. I had a very, very good experience with them. And I would highly recommend them to anybody because words cannot express how great they are.